Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Canva website scrollable. Canva websites are typically single-page designs, lacking traditional multi-page navigation. However, you can achieve a scrollable effect by simply extending your page vertically. This allows you to add more content, creating the illusion of distinct sections as users scroll down. It's the most effective way to present extensive information within Canva's website builder. To make your Canva website scrollable, the key is to design for length. Simply drag the bottom edge of your page downwards to expand its canvas. This gives you ample space to add all your text, images, and other elements. Organize your content into distinct sections using clear headings and visual breaks. This approach helps guide your visitors through your information smoothly, making the long page feel manageable and engaging. Optimizing your content flow is crucial for a good scrollable experience. Break down large blocks of text into smaller, more digestible paragraphs. Use plenty of white space around elements to prevent your page from looking too busy or overwhelming. Strategically place calls to action throughout your long page, encouraging visitors to engage at various points. This thoughtful layout keeps users interested and scrolling, rather than feeling lost or bored. Once your long, scrollable Canva website is complete, it's time to publish it. From the Canva editor, simply click the Publish Website button. Canva will then generate a unique URL for your site, which you can share with anyone. This makes your extensive content accessible to your audience, providing a seamless browsing experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.